In this video, we'll guide you through how to get TradingView Premium for free. So without any further ado, let's just dive right in. So as you can see, I'm onto the dashboard of TradingView, and from here, all you need to do is simply head over to your account on the top right side, as you can see here. Now, before we move any forward, I would like to tell about the $15 startup bonus that you can get using the link in the description below. So make sure to simply check that out. So let's just head over to our account. As you can see on the top right side, once we are there, you can see we got a couple of options. So to get a premium, of course, you simply need to head over to settings and billing, and then we will be able to realize that in the billing section, which is on the left side, we have this subscription option, right? So you can click on this upgrade option, and here you can see we have this option which says try free for 30 days, and this is exactly that you're going to be using. And once you click on this, you simply need to fill a couple of more details, and you will get 1 month, one whole month completely for free. So this is something amazing that you can benefit out of, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out.